Hi traders, this is David from Wave Trader. So I want to show you a trade I'm currently in, a couple of trades actually, on the British pound Japanese yen currency pair. The good thing about the British pound pairs is that they tend to move in tandem. So if you compare this to the GbpCHF video that I recorded, you will see that they are moving almost in tandem, almost exactly alike. So basically, this is almost like a repeat of what happened on that currency pair. So now I'm on the weekly chart, and I took a couple of bearish trades, sell trades, and the reason why I took them was because when I look at the third wave of this wave top situation, we have the first, second, and this whole thing here is the third wave, okay, and this making the fourth in my own estimation. So I by taking the third wave down, the retracement, I believe that the market should get to possibly the 50, 55%, 62% region here. So, and if we look at this current move, let me go to the daily chart and show you. You can see that we have a first wave here, second wave. This is the third wave, and I believe that we are in the fourth wave. So if I'm correct, then this first wave should end at precisely somewhere in this region between the 55% and the 62% area of this particular move, and that is where I set my profit target. One of them is set to the 55, the second is set just beyond the 62. So how did I get into these trades? So when I saw that, by going to the weekly chart, you can see there's a spinning top here, which is also a precursor to a reversal in price. So I knew that there was going to be a wave top situation there. So by going to the daily chart, I could see it beginning to happen. This was on Monday, and I saw this, okay. Now, guys, I talk about divergence a little bit in my videos, but it's not included in my course, not because it's not valid, but I did not teach it. So please, if you are interested in divergence, may I recommend you Google divergence and read up a little bit about it. It's actually very helpful, because usually whenever the market wants to reverse, there's going to be something along the lines of divergence happening before you see a wave top or a wave bottom situation. And so if you can recognize that, it will help you to know that a move is about to occur. So I saw this divergence situation here. This is a negative divergence to price with the MACD. Okay, for those of you who are familiar, you can tell that this is negative divergence. So I saw this, and as at the time I saw this on Monday, the market was dithering somewhere in this region. Okay, so I knew there was a possible opportunity to go in, but to get in, how to get in was what I was trying to find. So I went lower, and as at the time I came to this chart, I believe the market was somewhere in this region. So I waited for the retracement. Okay, I waited for the retracement. So I put I took the retracement of this point, I believe, and I placed this order here, this micro lot, as you can see. So what happened was that the market went up, activated my order, okay, and when it came down, as at the time I came back and I checked the chart, I decided to go in with a market order for two. Okay, no, this is a sell limit that I placed, I believe, today. So I left this chart. I wasn't watching it per se, and you can see what happened. So the market now created another wave top situation, and then began to go down. Okay, so unfortunately I was not around to see all this. I missed it all. If not, I could have entered here, or at least placed a sell stop here. So today now I come to the chart and I see this happening, and I know that there will still be another retracement, so I've placed a sell limit here, and I believe I placed a market order for a micro lot here as well, and you can see that one is already in profit as well. So in terms of entry, I am able to be in the market twice now, but unfortunately I did not go in with my normal trade orders, which is usually 2 lots, but that's okay, because if we were to look now at the daily chart, there will be other opportunities. That's the beautiful thing about the market. It will always give you opportunities. Okay, so once today's daily candle is it's finished, more or less, definitely there will be a retracement, and it will definitely get to somewhere between the 50-55 region before the market continues the downward move. So all I have to do is just keep my eye on this chart today, and I believe I'll get another opportunity for this sell limit to be activated, and if not, I will wait, and once the market begins to turn over again, I will go in with maybe a sell stop or a market order. So that's my take on the GBP JPY, guys. Thank you very much.